What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. We have shown you before some of the cleaning solutions we've used on the inside of our oven, specifically on the glass, because that's always a challenging spot to clean because your typical Windexes and other cleaning solutions don't work that well on the inside of the oven. We've shown you what happens when we use baking soda and vinegar. We've also shown you what happens when we've used a dishwasher pod to clean the inside of our oven. Well, today we are going to see what happens when we use the pink stuff with a lightly moistened Scrub Daddy. Let's get into it. You can see this isn't as bad as some of the challenges we've had in the past, but it's still dirty and it's still time to be clean. So I thought I would give the Scrub Daddy a shot with the pink stuff and see what happens when we apply. So I'm gonna get this thing nice and coated and keep going over it like this, and we'll show you what happens once we start to wipe off the pink stuff. I'll even get on the kind of border of the glass here to see what happens as well. All right, so we've got all of our pink stuff on around the border of the glass and the glass itself, and I'm just going over each part a few times just to make sure we get some good elbow grease in there to see what this thing's gonna look like. And I mean, I've probably been scrubbing this for, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes, not long. So we are going to go get a rag, a wet rag, and wipe off some of the pink stuff. All right, so we've got a slightly damp rag here. We're just going to start to pull off that pink stuff, and it's starting to look better already. We're just gonna keep doing this. As you can see, it's looking really nice, and it's a huge, huge increase to what this looked like before. I can't see any marks on the glass outside of the streaks of the pink stuff right now. Let's see if we could give you a good look at this. Yeah, the border looks really nice as well. I probably can do a better job at this spot right here, but this looks vastly improved from where we started. So we're just gonna keep wiping the pink stuff off. I'll probably have to get another rag here, and we'll show you what this looks like at the end. That about wraps us up. As you can see, there's a little bit of residue on here from the pink stuff still, so just kind of going through and getting some of that out, but huge improvement all the way around.